Hey, what's up, guys? This is your Venki here. Welcome to Strive Tech. Today, we are going to talk about the best budget mobile phones under 10k. I have been studied so many mobile phones and I came to a conclusion to tell you 5 mobile phones and based on their performances. Yeah, let's get into our video. We have Realme Narzo 10A. This is having chipset of MediaTek Helio G80. MediaTek Helio G80 is a quite good processor and it is providing with 4GB RAM and storage of 128GB. After the box it is coming with 110. Narzo 10A is having 6.5-inch IPS LCD display and the camera of quad cam backside. Main camera is 48MP, 8MP of wide angle camera, 2MP of teleport lens and 2MP of macro camera. Coming to selfie, it is providing with 16MP. Coming to SIM slots, it is with dual SIM. On the list, we have Realme C12. It is coming with chipset of MediaTek Helio G35. It is providing with RAM of 3GB. It is having the display of 6.5-inch HD plus mini drop display. And to coming to camera, it is with triple cam, 13MP main cam, 2MP of wide angle lens and 2MP of teleport lens. And coming to selfie cam, it is with 5MP. It is having storage of 32GB RAM. Out of the box, it is coming with Android 10 with dual SIM slots and the battery of 6000 mAh. On the next, we have Realme C15. Realme C15 is coming with chipset of MediaTek Helio G35. It is also coming with 3GB RAM and display of 6.5-inch HD plus mini drop display. And the camera, in the C15 we have quad cam, 13MP of main cam, 8MP of wide angle lens, 2MP of retro cam, 2MP of micro cam. And coming to selfie cam, it is with 8MP. After the box, it is coming with Android 10. It is providing storage of 32GB RAM and we can expand to 512GB. And SIM slot, it is with dual SIM slot. It is having battery of 6000 mAh. We have Realme C12 and Realme C15. There is no difference between these two mobiles. Just there is the difference in the camera. Just in camera. On backside, Realme C15 have 8MP wide angle lens and the Realme C12 have 2MP wide angle lens. And the Realme C15 is coming with extra 2MP retro cam, and whereas Realme C12 don't have that lens. And coming to selfie cam, Realme C12 have 5MP, Realme C15 have 8MP. There is no difference between the display or design, everything is same, just there is a difference between cameras. On the list we have Redmi 9 Prime. It is coming with MediaTek processor, MediaTek Helio G80. It is also providing with 3GB RAM and display of 6.53 inches Full HD plus IPS display. It is having quad camera, 13MP main cam, 8MP wide angle lens and 5MP telephoto lens and 2MP of macro camera. Coming to selfie camera, it is providing with 8MP. Out of the box it is coming with Android 10. It is providing with dual SIM slot and a storage of 32GB RAM and the battery of 5020 mAh. On the list we have Moto G8 Power Lite. It is coming with Snapdragon chipset, Snapdragon of 665 with a RAM 4GB and a storage of 64GB. Coming to display, it is with 6.4-inch IPS LCD display. Coming to camera, on the back side we have quad cam, 16MP of wide angle camera, 8MP of telephoto lens, 8MP of ultra wide angle camera and 2MP of macro camera. Coming to selfie camera, single camera, 16MP of single cam. Coming to battery, 5000 mAh with 18W fast charging. It is out of the box, it is coming with Android 10 with dual SIM slot. Please do like, subscribe and comment below. Please do share with your friends. Thank you for support. Peace.